Hey guys, today we're going to be cutting open a wine thing with a hot knife, so yeah, be right back when I did it. Alright guys, so the knife was just glowing, like that's how hot it was, so yeah. Guys, I have to open everything because I don't want the fire alarms to go off. Oh my god. That's kind of cool though, like. Oh god. Please don't set the fire alarms off. Okay, I opened the door and stuff. I'm gonna go check on the fans. Okay guys, so everything, like fans are on, everything. It's kind of scary. Oh, fire alarms don't go off. Cause like, I'm not sure if you guys could see, but like, that stuff was like, so steamy. It smelled bad too. Got the knife all cleaned off and stuff. I stopped doing that because I should have done that outside. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go throw this away. I hope it gets all the smell and smoke out. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared right now because my parents just left. Well, my dad just left to go to the post office, which isn't that far away. And like, I knew that was gonna happen too. I'm kind of scared right now. I hope it starts to smell like burgers. I don't know why I said that. Oh, pa. Oh. Okay, ready? Ready? Oh. It's gonna hurt if I fall. Daddy, is that you? Okay, anyways, peace out, guys.